Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I'm going to teach you and show you how you can use video to leverage anything in your online business, or you can actually begin a strategy using video to really help elevate, impact your business. So you want to stay tuned to this message, this entire video, because I'm going to tell you and show you some examples right here. Now, if this is your first time here at this channel or video, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way we get videos just like this. Now, you know what time it is. This is Adam Shelton and it's time to tell you and show you, yes, you can use video to be able to elevate your online business world or your business strategy. Now, when I first got on to the online business world, I did not use video. I didn't really know you can actually use video to be able to sell and market any product and service that you have, especially if you're an affiliate marketer, internet marketer, network marketer, or if you have an online business selling products. Using video is a great idea because you get your message across. You get the chance to show your product right in your video. You can actually show your product right in your video. Or you can do a share your screen. You can actually share my screen and actually show you my services live. I can get you a little bonus. I can give you a little bonus. So if I'm selling a training session, I can show you a bonus right through this video to get you all into my actually strategy in my training, and then I can get you to buy. I can say, well, below this video, I do have a link for you can go ahead and purchase my course. So if that, I think it's a really good idea. So let me give you a small example. Amazon. Let's say you have an Amazon associate account. Now, Amazon Associate, if you have an Amazon Associate account, that means you can go ahead and leverage and sell any product Amazon has for you to do. It's free to sign up, so you can go ahead and go to Amazon Associate to start your free account, but you can go ahead and start leveraging and selling products, right? So let's say I was selling a product live. Let's say I have the product. What I prefer, man, that'd be really good if you really actually have the product and you can sell it right through your video. So let's say here, I've got this Amazon Alexa. So let's say I'm selling and advertising this. I can do a tutorial about this, and then I can turn around and basically describe the product in a way it works for me that I think it can work for you. So I really like Amazon Alexa because it's kind of like an alarm clock for me, and it has my favorite songs, some of my favorite songs in here, and it alerts me on certain things that get me motivated and get me inspired. So that's why I really like Amazon Alexa this year, because it really helps me to get me going in the mornings and afternoons and evenings. So I prefer people to use that. So you can talk about that and say a call to action right below this video. Click on that link to go ahead and purchase your Amazon Alexa. Right, now you're starting to get it. Now say you're affiliate marketing. So if you're affiliate marketing, one of the first things that I would suggest is mindset. You can recommend some books to read. The next thing you can say, well, you can go ahead and sell your system that you're a part of. Other things you can do, you can sell your autoresponder. Now, autoresponder is an email autoresponder. It's a way you can follow up with your customers using email marketing. So you can say Active Campaign, SendLane, Aweber. There's several of them out there. You can recommend somebody about using those services and do a video about it, or you can do you can actually do a product review. Do Aweber versus SendLane versus Active Campaign. You can actually talk about that. So use video to launch and really impact your business. You really can get your message across very, very fast and very, very quickly, mainly because a lot of people like video, right? That's why you're here at this channel, and I really appreciate you being here today. So video marketing, yes, is a great way of releasing and talking about your product or service. Any service that you have in your business. I know you're a beginner or you're an existing business owner. You may not like video. You may think video is scary, but I'm going to tell you this. When you start doing video each and every day, you'll get comfortable. So you can do a video about why you should do video every single day. So just remember, video is a good strategy to sell and market your products. That's all I got right here today. Now, if you are struggling, if you are overwhelmed, if you just lost and confused and you want to start an online business, or if you have an existing business and you want something else to market and make some money on the side and get the result, and more importantly, get the education, click on the link below. I do have a great opportunity for you that has excellent training 15 module training. Is a $1 special to go ahead and go through this process. And what I really like about it is the fact that you have an advisor to advise you every step of the way. So you're not just thrown out there in the fields. You ain't thrown out there. You got somebody helping you and guide you. And you have me as your sponsor. So I'll definitely help you out as well. And when you sign up today, go ahead and sign up for the dollar trial. You'll receive a text message from me to go ahead and invite you, and we can go ahead and start your online business or your existing business. And this could be another business to help that business. That's what makes online marketing so powerful, is that you can use different tools to grow existing or even start your new business. So click on the link below this video. Number one recommendation to start your online business and make money online. Click on the link below, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a good day.